Hello, seventh graders. Thank you for viewing. This presentation will allow you to identify careers that are available in the field of ICT, that's information and communication technology. You should also be able to describe the job functions of different personnel in ICT careers, as well as to discuss the importance of ICT careers in the society and show an appreciation for the importance of computing careers in the information age. Continue to watch, learn, and enjoy. What are the job functions of a system analyst? This person is in charge of developing a computer system from start to finish. He or she analyzes the problem, develop the system, implement and test the system to see if it is working according to specification. Programmers. What are the duties of a computer programmer? He or she develops software, both application and system software, discuss program specifications with the system analyst, write programs, test and debug computer programs, that is to check for errors and make corrections accordingly, as well as to document the program. Network administrators are persons who are responsible for creating, managing, and securing computer networks in their organization. These persons troubleshoot problems, issue passwords to individual users, and allow access to the system by setting up user accounts. Operations managers. These are persons who supervise the use and maintenance of the computer equipment, supervise the receiving and preparation of data scheduling processing activities, as well as to allocate duties to staff and consult with the data processing managers. Computer operators. These persons are responsible for monitoring and controlling the central computer system by starting up and shutting down the system and responding to messages from the system. Computer operators also perform routine maintenance such as cleaning drives, loading input and output systems such as tape drives or paper in printer, and keeping logs on systems performance. Data entry operators are responsible for entering data into the computer system from source documents. These are documents that are used for recording data that is to be used to input data into the computer system. Data entry operators also keep records of the data that they have entered into the system and verify that data. File librarians. These are persons who are responsible for keeping all of the company's data files and software organized through cataloging and storing of tapes and disks. They also maintain and protect that data. File librarians also clean and inspect the data storage media. Data security specialists. These persons are responsible for looking after the security and protection of the company's computer systems against threats from hackers, virus, power outage, fraud, theft, and invasion of privacy. Web page designers. These persons are responsible for building, maintaining, and improving a company's website using programming languages such as Hypertext Markup Language and JavaScript. Webmasters, these are persons who are responsible for monitoring internet traffic on the web server as well as to answer queries about the website's operations. Their duties may also include that of a web page designer or just someone who updates web pages. Computer engineers. These persons are responsible for designing components of a computer system. They also test and assemble them. For example, the microprocessors, the circuit boards, or any computer peripherals. IT technician. This person is responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing computer systems. Who is a database administrator? This person is responsible for designing, implementing, maintaining, and repairing an organization's database. He or she plans, coordinates, and implements security measures to safeguard the database as well. Data processing managers. These persons are responsible for planning, coordinating, managing, and staffing the data processing department of a large organization. In this information age, ICT is very important because it creates job opportunities, promotes knowledge building and sharing, it facilitates innovation as well as contributes to good governance and more efficient and transparent provision of public services. Hence, ICT careers are of utmost importance in any society. Thank you for viewing. I hope you've learned something new. Now, please show an appreciation for the professionals in the field of ICT.